Hello, I'm Gateway Star, and today I'm hosting the very first ever Stormy Awards. If you don't know what a Stormy is, it's basically like the Oscars, the Emmys, the Tonys, you know those? It's basically that for EAS scenarios. My nomination picks are EF6. My nomination for Best Ever Story goes to From Radioactive Girl 00, Wild Card of Nature. My nomination for Best Effects goes to The Hum of Death.
Remastered by To Be Announced.
And to make this nominations the most unbiased, you have to pick one of my scenarios between El Lobo Negro or Yandere Pursuit for which scenario should be picked for the nomination. And down in the comment section of the community post, you have to pick which scenario receives the nomination. I cannot interfere with this, so it's completely up to you. So basically, I'm representing Yandere Pursuit with the Yunogasai icon, while I represent El Lobo Negro with the Gus Fring icon. So, go ahead and pick your nominations for the Stormy Awards. I'm looking forward to a good Stormies, hosted by Gateway Star. Okay, that is all the trumpet stuff I'm doing, and my goodness, that's just fun to do.